Welcome, and thank you for joining us today. Gender discrimination remains a pervasive issue around the world, impacting individuals in various ways across different spheres in life, including the workplace, education, and even within families. Today, my groupmates and I gathered a powerful interviews that delves into the realities of gender discrimination, shedding light on how it affects not just individuals but entire communities. Through these interviews, we'll explore the deep-rooted causes of gender inequality, the emotional and psychological toll it takes, and how society can take steps to address these issues.
Hey everyone, I am Bianchi A. Puhat and I am with
Channel Sila.
I first met Jana in my previous school, and during those times, you still have boy cut hair, no?
Yes.
During those times, you still haven't identified if what gender do you classify. So my question is, when did you discover your gender identity?
I first discovered my gender identity when I was elementary. When I was grade 4, because those days I confused myself if what I want and what I want to do. Like I like wearing a female or a woman dresses, and I like to have a long hair. So
You use wigs.
yeah.
Do you have any experiences where you felt gender discrimination in the people that surrounds you in your society?
Yes, since I come out as a gay or as a part of LGBT community, every time I go outside, every time I go to school, I always experience discrimination, judgment, and abuse because of my gender identity.
And how did it impact you in your present life?
For those people who always bully me, it's give me those words to say about me. It's give me motivate to change my life for being who I am today.
Were there any moments where you feel supported by the people around you?
Before, I really want to be a woman, to look like a woman, because if you are gay and living in this if you are gay and living in this society, you are respected if you are look feminine, you look beautiful, and you look sexy. So I feel that everyone's respect me when I take pills and enhance of my face to look feminine and to look good.
To your younger self, what advice could you give to your younger self who experienced those kind of discrimination?
Okay.
What message would you give to your younger self who experienced being discriminated by the people that surround you?
I know that he is experiences a lot of struggles in life, but I know that he is strong. He is strong person. That's why I am strong today.
Thank you. And what advice would you give to someone who is also experiencing the same discrimination?
I want to give advice to them that stay strong and stay who you are, because no one can understand you. No one can understand you but only yourself. So that's why don't don't listen to the others and be who you are.
Thank you for that wonderful message, and I want you to know that the people that surround you are very proud for who you are today. As a person who witnessed your journey, I'm so proud that you become a better and wise woman today. Thank you.
Good day, everyone. I am Criselke and I am with.
Paul.
So, Paul and I were schoolmates back then. And good day, sir. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Question is, did you experience any kind of discrimination in your community?
Oh,
Can you share with us, or with me, with what is that discrimination and how did you overcome it?
kuhan sa una ka nang idaan ko sa mga tao sa una na i-discriminate ko kay lagi ka nang napoy ka nang kaon nga kurso lagi samot na ka ng cream niya lagi ka nang puto dito sa una di ko nagpatay ko lang mo to.
Okay, and based on your story, sir, how did you overcome the discrimination that you experienced?
Mo to tanan nilang gitong istorya kay ako to di mo na motivation nga kanang mas mo kuhan pa jud ko ba na kanang mas mo gana pa usang sa eskwela kay lagi ka nang ilang ko ginataw sa una mo na ako din kanang gi-prove sila nga lahi ra jud kanang digital sa yun dito lang istorya sa kanila mo to kanang kuhan kanang nagirin dito bilang dito.
That's all, and thank you for the time, sir, that you given to me na nisugod siya ka magpa-interview.
Wala din ma-start.
Good day, everyone. I am now here together with
Hannah.
and today we will talk about his experience regarding discrimination. Before we proceed to our main reason why we are here, let me ask you first, how are you today?
Kwan, okay ra. Okay na okay.
How old are you when you discover that you are a part of an LGBTQ?
Kuan, wala ko ba sa kuan, edad, exact nga edad ba, pero kuan ko, nakainomdong ko tong pag-grade 6 or 4, na, grade 4 ko na, grade 4 na ako na-discover ang akong tunay na pagkatao.
Do you experience any kind of discrimination in your community?
Yes, I experienced discrimination as a part of LGBTQ plus community. Kuan siya ang discrimination kay inevitable or dili na to siya malikayan. Kay kuan, syempre kuan ba may anay ba mong kuan gender. So na ma-comment ng mga tao. So mo na ang pinaka most nga kanang discrimination nga na kuan mo is gender discrimination. Ora.
How was it? Can you tell me about what happened?
So, kuan, kanang if kuan may maglakaw may bisag asa. Kanang bisag asa gyud mo lakaw good. Kay na kanang makuan ng mga kanang tao, balay reason mo bayot. Ana ba naon ka? Ay naon mi. Kung mula ko mi sa kanang mga bata nga kuan, dili ra kay bata pero nasa mga dagko na sad. Ana ba?
So, based on your story, what was the impact of that experience into your life and how did you surpass it?
Okay. So, ang impact niya sa akong life kay na ay negative impact na si positive impact. So, ang negative nga impact kay kanang syempre among ego kay masakitan mi. No, so murag na mi kanang makanahunasad mi sa mga kung nganong ing anime ano ba no mura kag na I regret nganong na ing anime kay dili ba na mo sa nganong na ing anime kay ang heart man nang basta mo to siya ang negative nga impact kanang makuan siya sa mong mental health. Ang positive pud nga impact Kaya kanang ang katong ilang mga gipangkuan kanang mga discrimination nga nakuha na mo kay gihog na mo siya motivation o inspiration nga mas mo try mi maayo, mas mo kuan mi maayo i-prove na mo nila nga ilang mga discrimination kay wala ra na mo ano ba. Murag nagkuan ako self-care.
Self-care. For the last question, what is your message to the people who often discriminate other people's imperfections, and what advice can you give to the people who also experience discrimination like yours?
So sa mga kuan, sa mga tao nga kanang kusog kaayo mag-discriminate or mo down sa mga kuan, dili lang kay namo but sa nato tanan no, ang masulti ra jud nako no. Ayaw na. Kuan kanang dili may makabuot kung ay mo pag-discriminate ay ana pero kanang mas mako na mo nga kanang dapat mo magunahuna sad mo kung unsa ang kanang impact sa mga tao nga imong ipang-discriminate ninyo if mo go mo ana nga kanang activity. So sa mga tao pod nga kanang maka-experience pod sa kanang discrimination kay ibaliwala na ninyo. Ihimo nila kanang be strong always. O kanang ay na nilang pansin na ang mga ma-discriminate ninyo.
We hope that these interviews serves as a reminder of the impact of creating a more equitable and inclusive world where everyone, regardless of gender, can thrive.